Our Black History Month project was on the Executive Order 9981. So what is it? The Executive Order of 9981 was the desegregation of the armed forces. On July 26, 1948, President Harry S. Truman signed the executive order establishing the President's Committee on Equality of Treatment and Opportunity in the Armed Services, committing the government to interrogating the segregated military. The reasoning behind Truman's decision to desegregate the military is because Black activist and leader A. Philip Randolph told Truman that if he did not end segregation in the armed forces, African Americans would start refusing to serve in the armed forces. And seeking African American political support and wanting to bolster U.S. reputation abroad, Truman decided to desegregate the military.
Next, we'll be moving on into political impact on race relations. This executive order abolished discrimination, declaring that there shall be equality of treatment and opportunities for all people in the armed services without regards to race, color, religion, or national origin. In short, it would be an end to racial segregation in the military, a political act unmatched since the days of Reconstruction after the Civil War in the United States Armed Forces and led to the reintegration of services during the Korean War in 1950 to 1953.
When it comes to the social impact on race relations, the Executive Order 9981 was one of the first major blows to segregation. It gave hope to African American activists that change was possible. For the longest time, it had been an uphill struggle for African Americans to prove their patriotism to the defense of the nation. However, after the Executive Order 9981 was passed, it established an important breakthrough in race relations within the military. Although not everyone was on board with it at first, by the end of the Korean War, the full effect of the order was felt. African Americans began to slowly be socially more accepted, and the positive effects of this order can still be seen today.